You cannot delete an account in QuickBooks Online, but you can deactivate it. QuickBooks by default does not have any feature to delete an account, and this is by design because QuickBooks does not want any user to accidentally erase all of their transaction history by simply deleting one of the accounts. Unlike deleting an account entirely, the make inactive function retains the transaction of that account and ensures that the integrity of your accounting data is well maintained. Here's what happens when you make an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. First of all, it will not show up in any of the transactions that you record in the future. Second, all of the transactions that are in the account will still be retained in your company file. And whenever you create a report, these transactions will be a part of them. And you will be able to view the entire history of the account whenever you want to. Let me just show you how it is done. Log into your account, go to accounting and select the chart of accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, that is deactivate. Click on the drop down menu in the action column, select make inactive. However, if you want to make multiple accounts inactive, then QuickBooks has got you covered. Back on the chart of accounts page, select all of the accounts that you want to mark as inactive. Choose the batch actions drop down and select the make inactive option. You also have the option to view the inactive accounts. On the chart of accounts page, go to the gear icon and mark the option to show inactive. You will now be able to view all of the inactive accounts in your company. You can select the make active option from the action column to reactivate the account, after which it will start showing up whenever you are recording a transaction in the future. Remember that making an account inactive is different from deleting an account. There is no delete feature. And when you make the account inactive, it simply does not show up in any of the transactions that you record, but the transactions in that account are still retained in your company file for reference in the future. You can click on this video to find out how to inactivate an account that has multiple open transactions in it.